डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मीरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबा लें जिससे कि सारे वीडियोस आपको लगातार मिलते रहें। आप थके हुए लग रहे हो। You are looking tired. You are looking tired. क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? Do you agree with us? Do you agree with us? कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ. Sorry to hear out. Sorry to hear out. मुझसे तमीज से बात करो. Talk to me politely. Talk to me politely. तुम मेरे हम नाम हो. You are my namesake. You are my namesake. आपने मुझे हैरान कर दिया. You amazed me. You amazed me. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. मैं आपको अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. I know you very well. I know you very well. सर पर तेल लगा लो. Apply the oil on the hair. Apply the oil on the hair. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा. I thought once again. I thought once again. उसे कुछ चाहिए. He wants something. He wants something. एक गेम खेलो. Play a game. Play a game. आगे से ध्यान रखना. Be careful in the future. Be careful in the future. कुर्सी खींच लो. Pull the chair. Pull the chair. उठ जाओ. Wake up. Wake up. साथ जाओ. Go along. Go along. किस बारे में? About what? About what? पंखा बंद करो. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. मुझे खुशी हुई. I am glad. I am glad. अपने जूते पहनो. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. उसे खेलने दो. Let him play. Let him play. चुपचाप निकलो यहाँ से. Get out of here quietly. Get out of here quietly. कितना समय लगता है? How long does it take? How long does it take? मेरे बाल उलझे हुए हैं. My hair is tangled. My hair is tangled. इसे याद कर लो. Memorize this. Memorize this. यह करना अभी बाकी है. It is yet to be done. It is yet to be done. तुम जाते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you leave? Why don't you leave? मेरे लिए रुको. Wait for me. Wait for me. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. Don't even think so. वह अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए हर चीज़ कर रही थी. She was moving heaven and earth to speak English. She was moving heaven and earth to speak English. हर चीज़ यानी heaven and earth. मुझसे गोल मोल बातें मत करो. Don't talk clever with me. Don't talk clever with me. काम के बाद तुम क्या करने की सोच रहे हो? What are you planning to do after work? What are you planning to do after work? मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि यह तरीका सही है या नहीं. I am not sure if this is the right approach. I am not sure if this is the right approach. टैक्सी आने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take for the taxi to arrive? How long will it take for the taxi to arrive? वह पेंटिंग में बहुत प्रतिभाशाली है. She is very talented in painting. She is very talented in painting. वह अपनी बात पर अड़ा रहा. He stuck to his word. He stuck to his word. इन पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to them. Don't pay attention to them. फिलहाल मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. As of now, I am working. As of now, I am working. तुम जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? बाइक की चाबी नहीं मिल रही है. I can't find the key of bike. I can't find the key of bike. तुम्हें क्या दिक्कत है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? वह क्या है ना, मुझे कहीं जाना है. Actually, the thing is, I have to go somewhere. Actually, the thing is, I have to go somewhere. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? मैं बता नहीं सकता ये कितना बेहतरीन है. I can't describe how amazing it is. I can't describe how amazing it is. कौन कौन वहाँ जा रहा है? Who else is going there? Who else is going there? नेकी कर दरिया में डाल. Do good and forget. Do good and forget. तुम्हारा दिमाग तो ठीक है? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मेरे पास और कोई रास्ता नहीं है. I have no other option. I have no other option. तुम मुझे इस तरह से धोखा नहीं दे सकते. You can't deceive me like this. You can't deceive me like this. यह मेरी समझ से बाहर है. It is beyond my understanding. It is beyond my understanding. तुम्हारी परीक्षा कैसी रही? How was your exam? How was your exam? क्या ऐसा रोज़ होता है? Does it happen every day? Does it happen every day? तुम बुरा मान गई क्या? Did you get offended? Did you get offended? मुझे यह समझ नहीं आया. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. और कौन तुम्हारे साथ गया है? Who else has gone with you? Who else has gone with you? क्या तिकड़म भिड़ाई आपने? What a maneuver by you. What a maneuver by you. अब मुकरना मत. Don't back out now. Don't back out now. मैं घर पहुंच गया हूँ. I have reached home. I have reached home. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? यह सही तरीका नहीं है. It is not the right way. It is not the right way. मुझे नहीं पता. I have no idea. I have no idea. और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई. Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. यह तुम्हारा रोज का नाटक है. It is your daily drama. It is your daily drama. पढ़ते जाओ. Keep reading. Keep reading. यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. अपनी लोकेशन भेजो. Send your location. Send your location. हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो. Always be punctual. Always be punctual. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later.